Welcome to Learn English with Iman Muhammad. Here we explore the beauty of the Quran, its meanings, stories, and lessons, all while improving your English. Together, we'll learn the language of understanding, reflection, and peace. Let's discover the wisdom of the Quran and grow, both in faith and in English. The interpretation of Surah Al-Fatihah. The opening. 1. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. This verse reminds us to begin every action by remembering Allah, the one who is full of mercy and kindness. His mercy reaches everyone in this world and is special for the believers in the next life. 2. Praise be to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds. All praise and thanks belong to Allah alone, the creator and sustainer of everything that exists. He takes care of every creature and every soul in every place. 3. The most gracious, the most merciful. These words repeat to remind us again of Allah's mercy. He shows us mercy in countless ways, through life, health, guidance, and forgiveness. 4. Master of the Day of Judgment. Allah is the only one who will rule on the Day of Judgment. On that day, every person will stand before him and be rewarded or punished for what they did in this life. 5. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. This verse teaches us sincerity. We worship only Allah and depend on Him alone, not on anyone or anything else. He is the one who can truly help us. 6. Guide us to the straight path. This is a prayer asking Allah to show us the right way, the path that leads to truth, goodness, and paradise. 7. The path of those you have blessed, not of those who earned your anger, nor of those who went astray. We ask Allah to keep us on the path of the prophets and the righteous, not the path of those who disobeyed or lost their way. Summary. Surah Al-Fatihah is a short but powerful prayer. It reminds us who Allah is, the merciful creator, the judge, and our only helper. It also teaches us how to live, with gratitude, worship, and guidance from Allah. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new from the Quran. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English with Iman Muhammad for more lessons and stories full of wisdom and light. See you in the next video, inshallah.